right, folks. This is it. I'm the only one out of 12 that showed up today. And the conditions are not bad. You got to stay away from these. Dark spots will slow you down. This is Barry Beaumont Gardner, live from Devil's Head, the only rad one out here. It's not bad, actually. It's not bad. I'd have to say it's pretty good, actually. Sneaky was awakey and he wanted a little piece of the pie. Not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. We're getting some at least. Last train. Not the last run, but the last. Oh, it's getting a little steeper. It's getting a little crazy.